Welcome back to Overheat, Chevrolet Motorhome 2026. External design aerodynamics. To increase fuel efficiency, the design will often have smoother lines and be more aerodynamic. Lighting, the headlights, taillights, and side lights will probably all be fully LED. Large windows to optimize the views. Outdoor equipment has plenty of pass-through storage. Waste disposal, water, and electricity are all readily available outside. Possibly outfitted with rooftop solar panels to replenish the house's energy reserves. Inside, materials for comfort and effectiveness, premium, long-lasting, yet lightweight materials are used. Surfaces that are easy to clean. Driving area, advanced driving assistance technologies. A huge integrated touchscreen entertainment system, maybe with Google built-in or the newest MyLink interface. And an ergonomic cockpit with comfy chairs, kitchen, fully furnished with a large refrigerator. Perhaps residential style, sink, gas or induction stove, microwave, and lots of cabinet storage. Living dining space, comfortable sofa, potentially a hidden flat-screen TV, and a dining space that doubles as an extra bed. Bedroom, rear-facing queen or king-size bed, closet, drawers, and maybe a second TV. Bathroom, a functional bathroom particularly on Class A and C models with a separate sink, shower, and toilet. Engine configurations, gasoline, most likely a powerful and well-proven V8 engine from Chevrolet, like the 6.6L Duramax engine seen in their HD trucks, which provides sufficient power and torque to tow big weights. Diesel for more towing capacity. A Duramax V8 diesel engine option might also be offered, hybrid electric distant possibility, although it is still purely hypothetical. Smaller RVs may see a push toward hybrid or even all-electric engine options by 2026. Braking system, for increased safety when descending, a robust braking system with ABS and maybe engine or exhaust braking is recommended. Connectivity via mobile hotspots and Wi-Fi.